Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how you can make aesthetic wall hanging flower vase by using old bottles. So let's begin the video. At first we are taking the bottles, then cut the front part. After cutting the bottle, we are going to take newspaper and let's tear it into small pieces. Stick it by using glue into the bottles. Our base is ready now. And then we have to color the base. Here I am using acrylic color. You can make the look simple just by using one color, but here I added some floral design. After this I am using some aesthetic paper print. You may use stickers too. And tear the paper, then stick onto the bottle. And the final look is ready now, but I am going to decorate this by adding some flowers. I added some more bottles. Let's put the flowers now. For hanging this we have to use both sided sellotape and it is ready for hanging. If you guys enjoyed our video, hit the like button, do comment and subscribe our channel for more videos and also share it among your friends.